Why does Porsche still put the engine in the wrong place? Most sports cars place the engine in the middle for better balance, but the 911 keeps its engine completely behind the rear wheels, which sounds terrible for handling. And honestly, older 911s were difficult to control. Lift the throttle mid-corner and the rear could snap instantly. But Porsche engineers turned that weakness into an advantage, because all that weight over the rear wheels creates insane traction while accelerating. Modern aerodynamics and rear-wheel steering help control the imbalance. So what once looked like a design mistake became Porsche's biggest identity. Follow to know what others miss.